Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now I'm going to show you another really cool trick using the pairs of court cards. I also want to point out that there's a couple of really cool books that this trick is in that you should check out, and this is a good opportunity. You want to check out a book called Royal Road to Card Magic. I'm going to show you later on when I talk about further reading and study. And another series of books called Card College. Both of them had this trick in them, and both of them are professional books. So what I want to do is start by taking the court cards out of the deck, but I'm going to tell a little bit of a lie. The first court card I get to, the red queen, I'm going to cut to the back of the deck like that. And I'm going to leave that there and not take it out. Then I'm going to go through and take out all the other court cards from the deck. Just like this. And you can do this in front of them if you want, or you can be a little more secretive about it if you like. This part I do in front of them. And the next part of the trick is where a little bit of practice is going to come in handy. But what I'm going to do up here like this to myself is I'm going to set the court cards in pairs in a specific way. Now the card I left on top of the deck was the red queen. So the first card I want here is the other red queen. And then I'm going to pair the cards up so that no two like pairs are next to each other, color or suit. So what that color or value. So what that means is I could take like the two black kings, but then I don't want another black pair. So I don't want another black pair or another pair of kings. So I'll take the red jacks, then I can take the black queens, then I could take the red kings, and I can take the black jacks again. So each pair is different in color and different in value than the pairs next to it. And we're going to take these 11 cards, but we're going to call them 12, so it's a bluff because nobody counted. So it's 6 pairs of 12, so we're going to take them in pairs and count. There's 1, there's 2, and because they're offset by 1 card, they don't show up in pairs. There's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and there's 6. Now what that did was they actually saw the Queen of Hearts twice and nobody noticed, and that puts it on the bottom of the pile. So now the cards are actually paired up except for the red queen. The other one is right here. When we put it on top of the deck, now it's going to pair up all the cards. So now when we show them again in pairs, they're all grouped together. There's the black kings, there's the red jacks, there's the black queens. This is why we separated them by color and by value, is because it gives us a nicer spread of color at the end. There's the black jacks, there's the other red queens. And that's a great trick, easy to do, and you can do that to impress your friends.